Everybody, today let's see how to make chili oil garlic chicken. And to make this recipe we require chicken. I've taken half a kg of chicken here, and then turmeric powder, chili powder, red chili flakes, oregano, soya sauce, tomato sauce, vinegar, oil and salt. So initially I will marinate the chicken with salt, turmeric powder and chili powder. I'll take more of turmeric powder and chili powder here because I'm not going to add any other powders like garam masala. So once I add salt, turmeric powder and chili powder, I'll mix it well, marinate it and then keep it aside for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes are done, in a pan I'm going to add marinated chicken and mix well. It's better to avoid adding water because chicken will release its water. We can cook it in the same water. This dish is thoroughly dry, so you can see the chicken has released water. So I'm going to close the lid and then cook it. Occasionally you can give a stir. Once the chicken has been cooked and little dry, I'm going to transfer it into a bowl, and in the same pan where I have cooked the chicken, I'm going to add oil. Once the oil is heated, add chopped garlic. Let it fry until a good golden color. Stir well so that it is uniformly cooked. Once the garlic is done, let's add chili flakes. I made this at home, that is I've taken around 5 or 6 chilies and then ground coarsely. I'm going to saute for few seconds. These two ingredients give a good flavor to the chicken. So once these two have been combined well, I'm going to add soya sauce and followed by tomato sauce. If you like it to be little sweet, you can add a little pinch of sugar or more of tomato sauce, and then vinegar. Once all these ingredients have released their flavor, we can add oregano and then stir well again. And I'm going to add cooked chicken now. And give it a nice mix. Let it simmer for around 3 minutes. And now you can see our chili oil garlic chicken is ready to be served. It goes very well with rice, chapati or even neer dosa. And hope you have liked this video, and if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.